of potato soup. For 8 portions. Ingredients: 2 stalks celery, diced, 1 onion, chopped, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 8 potatoes, peeled and cubed, 4 cups chicken stock, 3 tablespoons butter, 1/4 cup flour, 1 cup cream, salt and pepper to taste. Method: melt the butter in a heavy saucepan. When it foams, add the potatoes and onions and toss them in the butter until well coated. Sprinkle with salt and a few grinds of pepper. Cover with a lid of the saucepan. Sweat on a gentle heat for approximately 10 minutes. Meanwhile, bring the stock to the boil. When the vegetables are soft but not colored, add the boiling stock and continue to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the vegetables are soft. Add the milk and puree the soup in a blender or food processor. Taste and adjust seasoning. Serve sprinkled with a few freshly chopped herbs or some of the following garnishes. Next video is coming to you soon. Look forward. Subscribe to this channel and like and comment your idea if you like the video. Thank you for watching.